Let's learn how verbs change into adjectives, adjectives change into adverbs. See, care is a verb. When we add full suffix, careful is an adjective. When we add ly to the adjective, it became carefully adverb. In the same way, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. Let's learn. Care, careful, carefully. Help, helpful, helpfully. Use, useful, usefully. Wonder, wonderful, wonderfully. Hope, hopeful, hopefully. Thought, thoughtful, thoughtfully. Cheer, cheerful, cheerfully. Power, powerful, powerfully. Skill, skillful, skillfully. Peace, peaceful, peacefully.